We booked a cabana for our sea day on Virgin Voyages, expecting a peaceful, relaxing escape. It started out that way, but halfway through the day, some things changed.
Too loud.
It's a little too loud.
If you're thinking about reserving one, you'll want to watch how our day unfolded before you commit. We enjoyed this cabana in July of 2025 on the Scarlet Lady. This is the small cabana. There is also a large cabana. More about that later. This holds 4 people. The cost at the time of booking was $250, but it comes with a $40 bar tab.
We have our breakfast that we ordered and they brought to us. It is our first sea day.
So far, I like the cabana. No complaints. It's chill.
It's fairly quiet.
Perfect weather day for it, yeah.
It's nowhere near the pool.
Which is a good thing.
Yeah, because the pool's kind of loud.
Yeah, it's loud and chaotic over there.
But if you're getting a cabana to enjoy the pool, you do have to walk. It's a whole different floor. And you get it from 9 to 6. We got here about 10.
And we get, what, $40 at the bar?
We don't drink, so you can use it on anything you would normally get at a bar. Specialty coffee. They can make mocktails.
Fresh squeezed orange juice.
Fresh squeezed juices. It comes with like sodas, the same thing you would get at the galley. So they'll go and get that for you. And they keep water. There's like a little mini fridge and they keep water there for you. It comes with a big day bed. I think probably 3 people could probably fit on here.
Yeah.
I wouldn't really say 4.
I wouldn't want to, but yeah. I think this one's good for 2 people.
It's great for 2
You
people.
could squeeze more people,
Yeah,
but why
so
would
like
you?
it says up to 4, but I think it would be a bit crowded. And they have some where it's basically 2 cabanas and one has the day bed and one has like a couch area, and that supposedly can fit up to 8. But again, I probably wouldn't fill that up with 8.
Here's a realistic look at the walk to the pool and the loudness levels of the pools on a sea day. This is also a good view of what the crowds look like on the deck on a sea day, and it's vastly different from a port day. I want to add that it is much quieter in the mornings and in the evenings, even on sea days. And let's go back and see what the loudness level is inside the cabana.
So earlier today, we were thinking we were going to go ahead and book our second sea day in one, but about, what time did it start? About 12?
Yeah.
12, maybe 12:30, maybe 1. It is, the pools are both completely crowded and you can hear all the music from the pool here, plus the other people around us in other cabanas have Bluetooth speakers and are blasting. So it's not a quiet area, it's definitely more of a party thing.
Too loud.
We're gonna enjoy today, the rest of the today, but I don't think we're gonna book the second day. So this is definitely not a 2-day thing, and if you're okay with the noise, then it could be a good option. Because other than that, it's been really great. The service has been good. We've gotten food delivered. We got breakfast and lunch delivered. And they have everything at the Sun Club Cafe. I'm sure you can hear the music in the background. Like, I took a nap this morning here, but I can't take another one, and I kind of am having a little bit of trouble like concentrating on reading. So take that what you will. Well, our cabana day is over. How'd you enjoy it?
Good overall, just too loud. Yeah. If I had known it, and like they literally cut the music down.
It's starting to be, there's less people out there,
Yeah. It was just loud, but otherwise, yeah, service. I like having this little private area, but overall, yeah, I think it's good. What do you think?
I think it's good.
I
I
like the
wonder what it
privacy.
would be like on a port day. But a port day might be a better option if you want quiet.
I'd do it again now that I know what to expect, but I think going into it, I expected it to be really quiet, and it wasn't that, so I was
Yeah,
like,
it's
what's
not.
going on?
It's not a quiet area.
So that's our final verdict. If you want quiet, I wouldn't do it on a sea day. I might try a port day. However, if you're fine with a little bit of music in the background, it's a really beautiful place with amazing service. Let us know down in the comments below if the noise would bother you or if you would be fine with a little music in the background. And if you're interested in our full experience on our Virgin Voyages expedition, check the links down below in the description. If this was helpful for you, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next destination. We'll keep the adventures coming.